Ever found yourself a little short before payday and wondered if there was a quick, hassle-free way to bridge that gap? You're not alone. Millions of people face this situation every month, and that's where services like Beforepay come in. But before you dive in, a crucial question pops up. How much credit do you actually need to use Beforepay? It's a fair question, and the answer isn't as straightforward as a simple credit score. Unlike traditional lenders who heavily rely on your credit history, Beforepay operates a bit differently. They focus more on your income, spending habits, and repayment capacity. Think of it less like applying for a loan and more like accessing a portion of your already earned wages. So, if a stellar credit score isn't the golden ticket, what is? Well, Beforepay will typically look at factors like the consistency and amount of your income. They'll want to see regular deposits hitting your bank account, indicating a stable employment situation. The more predictable your income, the more comfortable they might be offering you a larger advance. They also take a close look at your spending patterns. Are you managing your finances responsibly? Do you have a history of overdrafts or missed payments with other services? These can be red flags, suggesting a higher risk of you not being able to repay the advance. Beforepay's goal is to provide a helpful service, not to put you in a worse financial position. Another key element is your repayment history with Beforepay itself. If you've used the platform before and consistently repaid on time, you're likely to be offered larger advances in the future. Building a positive repayment track record within the app can definitely work in your favor. Now, let's talk about the actual amounts. Beforepay typically offers cash advances ranging from a modest sum to a few $100s. The exact amount you're eligible for will depend on their assessment of the factors we've discussed. New users might start with a smaller limit, which can gradually increase as they demonstrate responsible usage. It's important to remember that Beforepay isn't a long-term financial solution. It's designed to help you cover short-term cash flow gaps. Relying on it consistently can be a sign of deeper financial issues that might need to be addressed through budgeting or seeking financial advice. So, to directly answer the initial question, you don't necessarily need a high credit score to use Beforepay. However, you do need to demonstrate a stable income, responsible spending habits, and the capacity to repay the advanced funds. Building a positive history within the app can also unlock access to larger amounts over time. Beforepay offers a convenient way to access your earned wages early, but like any financial tool, it's best used responsibly and with a clear understanding of its purpose. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.